So till now we've come across many lectures where we've seen dialogues being converted to from direct to indirect speeches and vice versa. But today we are going to be looking at something which is different from the usual ones. We are going to involve ourselves in a really fun activity in which I've gathered dialogues from movies and certain famous lyrics from songs and will be applying what we already know to them. So the highlight of this session is that we're not going to be learning anything new, but we'll be applying what we already know in a really fun way. Okay, guys, so let's now get started. Our first dialogue would be this is from a very famous movie called Aladdin. I'm pretty sure you all must be knowing this movie. This is a movie in which the genie aids by Aladdin to overcome obstacles in a really magical way and try to woo his love interest. So, okay, let's just see the sentence here. Cheer up, mother. I'll go and get work somewhere, said Aladdin. Here, hyphen Aladdin just implies a movie from where it is taken. It's not like involved in the conversion. Okay, so this is converted to Aladdin cheered up and told the mother that he would go and get work somewhere. Okay, guys, we've usually seen dialogues where we use like he said that or she said that, but here we're using the cheer into the speech itself because it's an emotion and it's conveyed perfectly clear to the person who's at the receiving end of the speech. You cannot say that you cannot be like Aladdin said that, cheer up, mother. No, that will sound wrong. Rather, Aladdin cheered up and told the mother. That is how it goes like. I hope it's clear. Okay, let's look at the next conversion. Imagine there's no heaven. It's easy if you try. John Lennon. Okay, this is a song and it's by this famous artist called John Lennon. Okay, so let's see how this goes. He told us to imagine there was no heaven and it was easy if we tried. Okay, guys, here we're using this joining joining word and to combine two sentences, and we are using there is usually denoted by there is, so it's getting converted to there was. It's a present simple to past simple, and then the next conversion would be if you try, it will be converted to if we tried. The pronoun changes to we. So that's how it goes, and that's what we changed, and we have to use the normal reported speech context that he told us. I'm pretty sure you all must be knowing this. So that's how we do this. Okay, let's go to the next one. In the town where I was born lived a man who sailed to the sea. The Beatles. They are a very famous band in the old times, I believe in the 90s. Okay, so let's see how this is getting converted. He told us that in the town where he had been born had lived a man who had sailed to sea. Okay, so guys, this is the exception that I was talking about. So here there are here what is getting converted is that I was is getting converted to he had been. Was is a simple, it's getting converted to past perfect, had been, and lived is also past simple, it's getting converted to had lived, and sailed is also past simple, it's getting converted to had sailed. Okay, this is a very interesting movie. It's about this elephant, very cute elephant, Dumbo, and this is a sentence where she tells to this tiny creature, I think it's the mouse. I'm not sure. Okay, let's see. Look at the sentence. The very things that hold you down are going to lift you up. Dumbo, said by Dumbo. Okay, this is going to be converted as he said that the very things that held him down were going to lift him up. The pronoun you gets converted to the pronoun him, and the word which changes the tense is are going is present continuous is getting changed to were going, and hold is present simple, it's getting converted to held, which is past simple. So the final sentence is he said that the very things that held him down were going to lift him up. Okay, guys, let's look at the next sentence. You and I are a team. There is nothing more important than our friendship. This is a very catchy dialogue and very interesting too. From Monsters University. It's a very fun movie, and I suggest you all to watch it too. It's very funny. I mean, I watched it recently, though I am like pretty old to watch that kind of movies, and I have to say, it did crack me up a lot. So, okay, let's see what how this is getting changed. He said that him and I were a team and there was nothing more important than our friendship. Guys, this is really important because here in the normal way, how do we convert is how, like in the beginning, you all must have said that it would go like he said that him and me. Guys, the word me would not come here because this is being said from your perspective to an other person, so you are supposed to imply with the word I. In case there's a third person saying like they said that him and me, that's where me will come when a third person's context is being referred with. Here you're just saying about what someone told you to someone else, so you go like he said that him and I. Please remember that it will not be me, it will be I. And R is getting converted to where. Um, is getting converted to was. That's it. So the final sentence would be he said that him and I were a team and there was nothing more important than our friendship. Okay guys, so we've seen like five dialogues and we've come to the end of this class. But I would like to give you all a small tip. If like to be better at this game, I would suggest you all to every time that you listen to like English songs, please try to like convert through your in your mind, try to convert every lyric in that to reported speeches, and this will really help you and you'll come a long way. And in case you do not listen to English songs and you listen to your regional languages songs, I believe you convert it to English first. This will be more effective because you're learning something new as well. You convert it to English and then try converting that direct speech to indirect speech, and I believe if you do this, you are going to be really good at it and no one's going to like ever beat you at this. That's it guys, that's it for today. So see you see you later, see you like in next class or something. Bye.